Hello, my name is Ethan. I am a rising freshman at Limerick High School, and this is going to be my final milestone. So, for this milestone, all I really did was take all my wireless controls that I had in my third milestone, put it onto a wooden piece of board, and then have the receiving side just stick it in my hovercraft. The major difference is just the wiring that was originally wired on my breadboard. I just had it transferred to a perf board for a more permanent connection, and also to prevent the wires from falling out constantly as I moved it around. So, a quick rundown how this wiring and schematics is all the same. It's just that the controller looks much neater by sticking all the weird components on the back. Some problems I ran into while completing this milestone was just making the rails themselves, because on the breadboard the rails were already pre-made for you, but for a perf board you just have these holes and you have to solder the wires together and solder those wires together into the nano. So my first thought was to make a solder bridge, but then when I made a solder bridge I found out that it's really hard to make a solder bridge because the solder does not want to stick onto the perf board, and that took a long time and pretty much just wasted a day or so. And so for the rest of my components I just had wires connecting to each different wire on the perf board, and then had the ground wire soldered to the wires directly and then onto my nano. So here is a demo of my project. So as you can probably tell, I have a battery on my controller and another battery on my hovercraft. These act as the batteries that I had, or my computer basically, because in my third milestone I had my computer powering my nanos, and that's really the only thing that I added or changed. And yeah, so thank you for listening.